we just opened up SketchUp, if you guys could see that. And SketchUp is a low-end model creator, and look at this. It runs really good because the video card is working very well with it. All right, so you guys are looking for inexpensive computer to play your latest games, Call of Duty, Apex. Maybe you want to work on some three-dimensional applications, Unreal, maybe SketchUp, and so forth. So I actually purchased this machine, and not for me personally. I wouldn't get this machine, but because your tariffs, budget-wise, and other stuff associated with it. We wanted to get a machine probably under the $300 mark, and I was fortunate enough to get something like this. It came with actually a 2 terabyte drive, which is a SATA drive. It's a solid state drive. It's not an NVMe drive or anything else. The only thing that was not included with this was the actual video card. If you're trying to buy a machine out there that you might not have the money and you want to be able to play some games and have some fun, this video is for you guys, because the world it's crazy right now, especially where tariffs, things are going to triple, double the amount. We don't know. I don't know personally. I don't know, but I've seen it now. I just bought a computer recently, and the next day, the actual CPU that I purchased increased by $200+. No, now we want to be able to create something where everything's in-house. We're going to try to keep it more like an American style. Not saying that Dell is made in America no more. I used to be made, but if you buy something used, you're not going to get tariff charge or anything like that. So that's why I come to eBay. I bought it on eBay, but you could find this on any store, and you buy a used one, and inexpensive. You can do that. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can save some money and have some fun with the stuff. So let me show you what we did to this machine and a couple of tests I did. All right, the first thing we did, we bought this Optiplex 7050. It was kind of bare bones. There was a drive and there was no video card. Pretty much that's what it is. So bare bone, it came with this. It pretty much looked exactly like it is. No video card, no nothing. The video card is built into the actual motherboard. You're limited to certain things, right? So limit to a couple of connections here. You guys can see you don't have a lot of space to it, but that's okay. We bought this and we ended up buying this too. The reason is this is a 4 gig video card that is capable of handling pretty much a little punch, and for under $100 during the time. Now the prices, look at this, another $30 on top of it. It's because it was under 100. It was exactly $99.99. All right, now you'll increase the price of $30. So if you attempt to find something like this and you find it used or new, this is actually a pretty good card for those that are looking for a budget system. And I was very surprised because I put it to a task and I tested a couple of things out, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and begin with installation of the actual video card. So we're going to reduce the size of the footprint on this system because it's so small, the desktop, that we're going to introduce the smaller connection, if you guys can see that. Hey, marry the video card. Make sure everything's in there properly lined up. Then push it down and then lock it in place. I'm going to turn it up right now. I can hear the card running on this one. All right, so just to be clear, those that bought this card, if you want to play the high-end games, you're going to need to install the latest update on the actual driver of the video card, all right? So when you go to Intel, you could say automatically it's going to download everything you need, including the processing speeds and graphics and so forth. All right, so we're going to review some of the hottest games, and we're going to play them on the Optiplex 7050 if it's possible. If you're going to buy something like this, very inexpensive, easy to set up too, and just buy an Intel card. Let's see how it works. So we're going to go ahead and start the first game. All right, we got a couple of games in here. Apex, we're going to start it up. So it looks like it's like a normal thing. So we're going to do training right now. All right, look at this. It's running really good. I'm actually going to run. Yeah. Look at the graphics on this. I'm very impressed with it. So let's go and run. It's running. It's just a little loud, but it's running really good. Graphics. Let me see. Look at the details on it. Oh yeah, this gaming system rocks. Really good. Look at that. Let's try a different gun. Very impressed with it. All right, we're gonna open Epics and we're gonna play Rival. It's a marble game, so Rivals. If you haven't played Rivals, this is the way it works. We're gonna open it up. All right, as you can hear it, the machine is running, really jamming. It's jamming real quick. So I'm gonna click anything. Click here. All right, so far the game looks really good here. We're just gonna go ahead and start. All right, so the game is playable. Playable it is. Oh, we got the hook here. Oh. Need some energy! Damn it. Alright, so Rivals play really good. Let's try. Let's play Call of Duty. Okay, so we're gonna start Call of Duty. Alright, on the graphics themselves, we're gonna go ahead and put it all the way down right now. Quality, it's at performance. It's at quality, alright? So let's just continue. Let's see if this thing picks up. Alright, here we go. So there's a delay. Okay. Yeah. Delay. Yeah, this is probably not going to be playable. See if we could squash down here. I'm going to change the graphics. Graphics, we're going to change it to the lowest we can. Display monitor, display adapter, screen rate, we're going to change it down. It's already down to the left. Display, we're going to do it 1080, all right, on this one. 1920 by 1080, all right. And then I think we're done on that one. Automatically a ratio. Display gamma, okay, all right. Oh, let's see. No, this is not gonna be playable. Ah! All right. Overall performance on this system, you're capable of playing Rivals, Apex, but not actual Call of Duty. All right. So if you're gonna get something like this and install a graphic card just like I did right now, your limitations are limit. Now I did have to dumb down the graphics to 1080. All right. So just to let you guys know, 1080 was the maximum way you could play this game. If not, that's pretty much it. And It's really loud. Performance, it's running. Now I got the minimum installation in here on the actual memory, right? I don't have I have 32 gigs of memory, and I have a solid state drive. I don't even have an M.2 in here, and it's running really good. So if you want to increase just a little bit more performance, you go upgrade those two things. But overall, this machine is not capable of playing every single game, but it's capable of playing pretty much a lot of the games that are out there. Performance wise, for 3D graphics, works great. Other than that, it's a great buy. Inexpensive. You can find it pretty much anywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.